morning. I'm just going to go over day 10 today and also 11 just so I can post a day ahead. You should be wrapping up your reading currently from the Write and Reader lesson 28. Should be finishing up your story and then answering the final questions on page 291. And then we're going to move on with our writing. So writing, you started to talk about your trip, a trip that you have taken. And where did I put that? Sorry, guys. I think that's right over here. All right. So you should have already started your brainstorming for that, thinking about somewhere you have been that you can tell a lot about. And then you should be moving on into your planning stage here, where you're coming up with your details about your trip and then explaining them in full detail underneath. Then we have our daily language. It falls on Friday, and this is where you're going to tell me what kind of errors are in the sentences provided above, so you can bubble in as many as you need or just hit no mistake. For math, we are revisiting a skill that you've probably learned last year. We didn't get to hit it this year yet, but you have everything you need in order to complete it. This is area and perimeter. So if you look up at the top, it says to find the area, you're going to multiply the length times the width. So that's the two numbers that are already given. And then when you give the perimeter, you're giving the sum of all the sides. So they only have two sides here. So what you see here is going to be the same top to bottom. So it's going to be 7 and 7. And then what you see is going to stay the same left to right. So if this is 4 centimeters, this side would be 4 as well. So then you would add 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4 to get your perimeter. For area, you're just multiplying 7 times 4. And then you'll continue that all the way through. And then the same activity for the second page. You'll notice that some of the digits get larger, and you guys know how to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits. You stack them in multiplying using the turtle method because there will be 2 numbers on the bottom. And then for social studies, my book doesn't go that far because I don't have it here at home, but you are working on maps, graphs, and globes, and that would be based around longitude. And then for science, we're moving along. We're talking about human activity and Earth systems. So you're gonna do 206, 207, 208, and 209. And that's it, friends. So I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions, let me know.